What's up, JPC Gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. We down in Scott, Louisiana today.
It's different.
Boudin capital of the world, Craig. We doing the Boudin, not the basic way though. I done seen this Boudin done a lot of different ways. Seen them make the burgers, seen them make the Boudin balls.
That was key.
We doing you a pizza today.
Yeah.
A Boudin pizza with the flavorification, slight crispification on the crust, a slight creamification. We kicking Louisiana flavors all the way up. Welcome back. This is another episode. Let's eat. 78. Let's go, baby.
Get back
Cooking.
Gotcha.
Just let me cook the spin to go down. With the shit so quick to get my wrist until we slow down. Let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Jam back the shit and I just let me cook the spin to go down. With the shit so quick to get my wrist until we slow down. Let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up.
Get back cooking.
Nope. Jam Pack Cooking. What's up, gang? Welcome back. Listen, we down in Scott, Louisiana today. We making some Boudin. Every great Boudin start with this holy trinity. The celeries, the peppers, and the onions.
It's the Holy Trinity.
I'm gonna add this red bell pepper, take up the sweetness level. These bell peppers are a little bit more sweeter than the green. The green have its own unique flavor, don't get me wrong. Veggie, my take, my twist on it. You do it your way. This is sweet. Chop these veggies up. The original Holy Trinity. There's nothing wrong with this. This is fine. You gotta kick it up. More sweet, more savory. You got the Holy Trinity JPC Gang way. Meats. A lot of times it's all about the pork. Get a good quality of pork. You don't want no trash pork in your Boudin. I got a nice piece of pork here. We gotta dice this pork up. Come in and look at it. I don't really want the skin, in my Boudin. That's not gonna cook down how I would like it to. I mean, it don't go in there. It's not traditional. Cut it off. Just like that. Skin we not using. I mean, if you want to, you can use it for some cracklings or something like that. That's another dish down in the booth that's
Traditional.
it's a thing. Cracklings, baby. Not doing it today. Today we doing Boudin. Let's go. Unfortunately, this is trash. Slice some pork. We not getting rid of this. Of course it's going in the pot. We not getting rid of it. That bone is gonna release flavors into the pot. This marrow here, you see it? Culinary butter, natural butter. Butter make it better. This is why we dice and clean our pork real good. Cause I just don't want that in my Boudin. It's not happening. Not on my watch. That's basic. That's trash. You eat it from the rooty to the tootie, then be my guest. Stick this in your mouth.
We won't.
Sliced and diced pork. Pork sliced and diced. It don't have to be too uniform because it is gonna cook down 3 to 4 hours for the basic people. We gonna cook it down, it ain't gonna take us maybe 2 hours max. Pork in a pan. Set it to the side. We're gonna change our gloves and clean the board real quick. Gang, we got diced and clean pork and a sanitized board. Question I got for the gang. Is it Boudin without liver? Think about it. I'll wait. Ask the people down in Scott, Louisiana. They'll tell you.
Hell no.
He ain't lying.
Get some liver in here with our pork. I like to go about a third. 1 part pork, 3 parts of chicken liver. If you like to add pork liver, then add your pork liver. Don't complicate this dish. I don't want to use the word simple, but it is. It's not really, it's not
Complicated.
at all. Your pork, your liver, your seasoning, and your aromatic. Holy Trinity. And time. Dude, take a little time. What don't? The seasoning, baby. Listen, we going in. Cajun seasoning. Onion going in. Seasoned salt. Magic dust. JPCgang.com for your magic dust. Garlic going in. Danos. Black pepper going in. Add you a good pinch of salt in there. Spicification. Tablespoon of cayenne pepper. At this point, it's okay to take the flavorification level. Take it up a notch. Once you add that rice to this dish, the rice come in like the ball. It soaks up a lot of the flavors, a lot of the liquids,
But
it's gonna give you the right consistency if you do it right. This is your chance to not be basic. Take your flavorification level to the max. Throw in some of my aromatic. Red bell pepper, celery, the onions. Put that in now because when it's cooked down, all those veggies release those natural flavors and the oil penetrate this Boudin with a different type of flavor. Get in with some clean gloves now and give it a big mix. I almost forgot to minced garlic. You do not want to not put garlic in this dish. If you from down there in Scott, Louisiana, the Boudin capital of the world, Craig, get down in the comments and let me know how the gang did on the Boudin, all right? Jam packed with flavorification. You want to cook this beyond tenderification. If you pick it up in this fork tender, go a little bit more. Today, we don't have a lot of time. We're using our pressure cooker. Cut the time down by half. Don't skip this part and just go throw it in the pot right now. This have to marinate. That's why I told you in the beginning, if you don't got the time, then don't come over here and
stop the whining.
minimum 2 hours on this marination. If you got all night, then do it tomorrow. Put it in the fridge, pull it out tomorrow, put it in the pot, let it cook all day. Best way. Today, we're gonna let it marinate by 3 or 4 hours. Throw it in the Insta Pot, let it cook down half of the time. It look good enough to eat already. At this point, you wanna try it.
A bullshit?
Take a little bit of your raw liver, your raw pork, give it a try. Come on.
I was just bullshit. bullshitting.
What is this? Is this a liver? Is this a heart? What is it? To me, they look like the heart. They look like the heart, don't it? Keep it in with the chicken liver. Chicken heart in there. Another key ingredient, rice, baby. Use your favorite rice. Got to have rice and boudin, though. Rice tend to suck up a lot of flavor in the boudin. We're gonna give it its own flavor profile. Pinch of salt, sun-dried tomato oil, chicken bouillon, dried chili flakes. Let Mr. Whiskey give it a whisk. We cooking rice, y'all. It's not rocket science. Just a minute, we're gonna have the fluffification. Just like that, perfect boudin rice, baby. Set that rice off to the side. We're gonna use it for our boudin. Let it cool down. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
The seasoning is soaking it. I'm gonna hold off on the bone. I got my Instapot on a high saute. This dish is simple, but it's still about building flavor. Not missing my chance to add any flavor. Chicken bouillon, tomato bouillon. Sear some of these proteins off, locking that flavor. Bottom of this pot is gonna create a fond. This is what I'm talking about. It starts to brown just a little. Water. Submerge the protein to the liquid is right over. The smells that are coming off this pot, it's heavenly.
The cook down.
Pressure cook 2 hours. Whatever, 2 hours, 2 minutes, it should kick on. This is gonna be fall apart too tender. Let's go, baby. Let's see if she tender. Is it tender? Whoa, it's hot, I know that. Look, just push it off. Too tender, too tender. Yes, Lord. Amen. Drain all your juices out. We got our meats here. Don't be basic. Get rid of your juice. Too much flavor there. Do it in the freezer for just a little bit. Try to let it cool down. If you got all day, let it cool down all the way. If you ain't got one of these, get your knife out and get the chop. Chop it down till you can't chop no more. I know it's still hot, but it will be okay. Let's finish mixing our boudin. Got that right consistency already. Only thing that can make it better now is the rice. 3 components. We got our rice, meat, we got our jus. Our jus, liquids that we cook the meat down in. We're gonna set that off to the side. 20-30, rice to meat ratio. This ain't just a regular rice. I don't like to get a boudin sausage and you open it up, it's mostly rice. You gotta have the meat to rice ratio right. Give it a mix, see where we at. Not too bad. We got to introduce a little bit of our liquid. We're gonna start out with a couple ladles of the jus. Mix it up. Oh yeah, it's coming together now. See how sticky it is? Look here, it ain't too pretty now, but this is boudin. We finna turn this into something special. We promise you, boudin gang, we deliver. This thing is flavorful. Got the peppers, the onions, the classic holy trinity. Put our own spin on it. Made sure the rice was kicked up. It just didn't take away from the dishes, added to the dish. Scott, Louisiana, how did we do? Let's make some pizza dough. Boudin pizza. We got the big boy out. We gonna make us some pizza dough. I got about 4 cups of AP flour, just a pinch of sugar, pinch of salt. Mr. Whiskey. Y'all go follow Mr. Whiskey, the one on Instagram. Yeah, from day one. Mix this up real good. You don't want none about this to be bland or basic. This is your chance. See that little flour right there? It's not enough in there. A little bit more salt. I'm cooking for me. If you was cooking for the public,
Change your goddamn glove.
that's y'all know it. Change your glove. Take the other hand that we didn't put our tongue on. Drop another pinch of salt in there. A little bit more sugar. And you want to take this finger right here. Don't take this one that you use. Take this finger. Put it in there. That's right. New glove. I use milk for my pizza dough. Some warm milk. It need to be warm milk. If you ain't got milk, use water.
We ain't even got no milk. Better put some water on that damn shit.
Use water. It won't hurt. Yeast. About that much. Pinch of sugar. Just a pinch. AP flour that's not basic. Dough ball starting to form. Any bread, if you're making pizza dough or any type of bread, you want a soft dough, okay? You don't want to overwork the dough. Take a little flour, get our pizza dough out on this board. Kind of want to just knead it a little bit. Twist, pull, fold. Twist, pull, fold. The dough ball down in the bowl. Cover it up, towel or some plastic wrap. Let the dough proof. It'll take about 30 minutes to an hour. Let's make a pizza sauce real quick. Bacon fat, y'all. If butter had a competition, then this would be it. Teaspoon of olive oil with that bacon fat. We got some of that holy trinity left with onions, the bell pepper, threw some cherry tomatoes in there. Veggies down in the pot, cook them down. I want them nice and tender. Salt, pinch of sugar, balance everything. Pinch of black pepper, give it a mix. This is gonna be a chunky sauce for our pizza. Got fresh minced garlic here. Cook that garlic down until it becomes fragrant. Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, red pepper, Dano's cheese in it, tomato puree. Give it a mix. 1/4 cup of water to your sauce. Chicken bouillon, tomato bouillon, magic dust. Give it a mix. You wanna get here and taste your sauce. Perfect. Flour out on the board, finger in your dough. A nice soft dough. Working it from the center, not going too thin. How do you like to eat your boudin? Leave it down in the comments. Crackers and some ketchup, I'm okay. I'm going for a thin crust pizza. I don't want it too thick or none of that. We want a thin crust, nice little cracker crust on the pizza. Look like a homemade pizza dough to me. Pizza dough. Let's build a pizza. This thing is sizzling. We want a crispy dough. Olive oil down on the pan. Give it a little bit more green onion flavor. Fold it over again. Pizza dough that's already started to crispify. Chunky sauce. Take us a big old ladle with the chunks and all. Make us a swirl. If you want your pizza crispy, do not over sauce your pizza. Looks good down here, right? A little bit more, you know, right there, right there, and right there. Now this is perfect. That look about right to me. When you call up to that pizza tuck place and you tell them I want an
extra large Boudin Pizza.
Make it extra cheesy, baby. More cheese, please. We going on with Boudin balls. Many Boudin balls. One there, one there. Give them a little press. Give them a light press. This pizza is all about the Boudin. You want to make sure it's Boudin in every bite, baby. How that look? Put 2 more? I got you. No problem. Make sure you tip me good, all right? I'm hooking you up on this. A whole pound of Boudin on a pizza. The seasoning. Add that good creamification and spicification there. Freshification. We going on the top of the pizza. 3 of these maters going down. Fresh maters. Top it off with a little bit more of the mozzarella cheese. Boudin pizza, baby. Going in the oven. 400 degrees. Crispification on the crust and the ooey gooey. Let's go. Yes, Lord. Look what I got you, the gang. Boudin ooey gooey delicioso pizza. Jam packed with flavor in there.
Pizza JPC. Let me get a large Boudin pizza.
Look at this. Look at this. Yes, Lord. Keep going. Boudin pizza, baby. No. Don't let your cheese stay there. Now that belongs to you.
This pizza looks so delicious.
Ooh, I want some pizza.
Move, nigga. Come here. I'm gonna do the fold and see do she hold. Oh yeah. Come here. Come here.
Lord have mercy.
Y'all want bite? You don't want it? I guess I'm gonna take another one. That's hot, but it's damn good. The best fucking sausage pizza you ever had. Somebody said put the extra creamification there. Y'all know that Boudin texture. Spread that thing on some crackers, dog. Got the crispification, you know that. It's all in the pizza because we got the dough super thin and super crispy. Come here, look at this. It's like a cracker, dog. Crispy on the bottom because we use that cast iron. This is one to try. All I can say is this shit is great. Not good, it's great. We getting ready to get up out of Louisiana. Ended right here in Scott, Louisiana. Boudin capital of the world. Gang, y'all ready? We on our way to Texas. Leave it down in the comments what y'all want us to try out in Texas. Barbecue, brisket that and brisket. We with it. Listen, man, we had a hell of a time down here in Louisiana. Go back, we're gonna leave the playlist right here with all those videos. Frog leg, etouffee gravy, jumbo, catfish, jambalaya, all the greats of Louisiana. We appreciate Louisiana for what it is as a whole. We appreciate the culture. Yes, Louisiana got the flavorification stamp. And I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you can know the next time we jamming and cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Till next time, peace and love.